cold today?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Now I can hear you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, I mean, is it cold today?
Yes. Today
Mm.
is cold.
Oh. do you
Yeah.
know what is do you know what temperature is it now? Do you know what's the
Mm,
temperature for today?
yes. Yes. Temperature about 10 or 12 degree.
12 degrees.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the lowest temperature you've got ever since?
Yes. I- uh, every day TV, television say degree.
Yes. I mean, what is the lowest temperature in the history? What is
Mm,
the lowest temperature in your place?
yes, I think about 7 or 8 degree.
Oh,
Mm,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, we haven't experienced such temperature in the Philippines. Yes, because we don't have winter season here, so
Yeah.
so I don't know how it feels. Yeah, if it's if we have such temperature here.
Yeah.
I think it's like I'm in the refrigerator or I'm in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how about Dao Dao? How is she?
Yes. She play. She is playing in living room with my wife.
Mm-hmm. What are they playing?
Yeah, living room. She is playing at the living room.
Mm-hmm. In the living room.
In the living room.
Mm-hmm. Okay, should be in the living room, not at the living room. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so let's start our lesson now. Let's start our Kalan method.
Okay.
Okay, so what page are we in now?
Pay 85.
Page 85. Okay. So by the way, sir, Mr. Chan, are you celebrating Christmas in your place?
Celebrate.
Mm-hmm. Do
When?
you celebrate do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes. In
Mm-hmm.
Vietnam, yes. In Vietnam, have celebrate Christmas.
What about you? In your family? I mean, in your yeah. Yeah, because not all people celebrate Christmas,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes. But just my family don't have celebrate Christmas, but my family mm, uh, enjoys celebrate Christmas.
Uh-huh. Okay. You're only your family, not you. You don't you don't enjoy it?
Mm, uh, yes, because I don't follow.
Those traditions?
Yes, don't follow is but I don't remind is.
Come again? You
Mm,
don't have to say.
I
Okay.
yes, I don't follow church.
Religious events.
Yes, I don't
Mm-hmm.
follow.
Oh.
My family uh, my family's um, my family wait for a moment. I translate.
Mm.
I translate.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, yes, but my family in back
Mm-hmm.
Chingmers because my cousin church follow
Yeah, religious events.
God. Yes, yes,
Mm-hmm. They believe in God.
yes,
Yes. And you don't believe in God.
yes. My family in back
Uh-huh.
enjoy with my cousin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cousin.
Cousins. Uh-huh.
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay then. So let's proceed to our lesson. Okay,
yes,
lesson 77. Okay. So again, we have the third conditional. Okay. First and second. Okay. First, second, and third conditional.
yeah.
Okay. So as a review, okay, let's discuss about third conditional again. Okay. So when we say third conditional, okay, it's before we think about the third conditional, we should remind ourselves of the first conditional and second conditional. Okay.
Okay.
So first conditional, okay, we have the if conditional, okay, plus present plus will do. Okay, okay, it means it's a real possibility. Okay,
Yeah,
real possibility. It's possible, yeah, that it will happen. Okay,
yeah,
okay. So for example, if I go to the park tomorrow, I will play football. Okay, so
yeah.
will, okay, the modal verb will communicates that you will surely do something. Okay,
Yes,
yes, like I will play football. Okay, so we have the first conditional if. Okay, that is the first conditional if. Okay, if I go to the park tomorrow, I will play football. Okay,
yeah.
okay, can you give me another example?
Hmm. If I went to the pool, I will swim. I will swim mm, in there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm,
Okay, you can say I will. Yes. I will swim. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Uh huh. Okay. So did you understand the first conditional?
yes.
Okay.
I do understand. Yes,
Okay. Very good. So again, it's if plus present. Okay, which is go. Okay, and then will do. Okay,
yes.
I will. So it means it will happen. It will surely happen. Okay, it's a real possibility. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next conditional. Okay, second conditional if, okay, plus past plus would do. Okay, so this is not real possibility, but you're only imagining. Okay, only your imagination. Okay, you only imagine. Okay,
Okay.
so for example, okay, so okay, please take note, Mr. Chan. If it's second conditional, okay, you're gonna use the past form, okay, or the past tense, okay,
Okay.
and then the modal verb or auxiliary verb would do, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes.
If plus past plus would do, okay. So if I went to the park tomorrow, okay, for example, I would play football, okay. If I
Yes.
went, okay? So if plus the past tense went, okay?
Okay.
And then I would, okay? So would is not sure, okay? It's like you're gonna play or not, okay? It's like 50-50,
Yes.
okay? I would play. So there's still another condition, okay? So So in here, you are assuming that if you want to depart tomorrow, okay, you're assuming
Yes.
that it's already happened,
Yes.
okay. You're
Uh,
you're
okay.
assuming, okay. You're assuming that it's already happened, okay.
Yes.
Finish already finished, okay. So when do we use the first conditional?
We use the first conditional to communicate that we think something is a real possibility in the future.
Okay, possibility again.
Possibility.
Okay, possibility. Okay, so we use the first conditional to communicate that we think something is a real possibility in the in the future. Okay,
Yes.
it will surely
Okay.
happen, and it's true.
Mhm.
Okay, next, what is its construction? Okay, what is its construction?
Its construction if present will do.
Okay, so you should say plus. Okay, if plus present plus will do. Okay.
Plus. Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, give me an example,
Mm.
please.
Mm. If he sees his friend this evening, he will say hello.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so if he sees his friend this evening, okay, he will say hello. Okay, so again, if plus the present form C, okay, and since we use the subject is singular, so we should add S to the verb. Okay, so
Yes.
instead of saying see, okay, we say sees. Okay, if he
Yes.
sees his friend this evening, he will say hello.
Yes.
Okay, okay, next one. When do we use the second? Okay, did you understand?
Yes. Yes. I do
Yes, okay.
understand.
All right. So when do we use the second conditional?
We use the second conditional to communicate that we are only imagining something,
Okay, only imagining.
only only imagining,
Imagining.
imagining.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what is its construction?
Its construction if plus past plus would do.
Okay. So that is the difference. Okay, you're gonna use the past tense and then would do. Okay.
Yes.
That is for the second conditional. Okay, give me an example, please.
If she went to the North Pole next week, she would feel very cold.
Okay. If she went to the North Pole next week, she would feel very cold. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's have the third conditional. Okay, so for the third conditional, we have if plus past perfect plus would have done. Okay, so it means imagining in the past. Okay,
Yes.
you're imagining something that has been done already. Okay,
Yes.
okay, past perfect, and then would have. So for example, if I had gone to the park yesterday, okay, I would have played football. Okay,
Yes.
so again, if plus past perfect had gone. Okay,
Yes.
had gone is the past perfect, and then would have. Okay, would have played, would have done. Okay, which is I would have played or would have. I mean, would have played. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, past perfect. For the second conditional, just past. Okay, just past tense. Okay, but for the third conditional, it's past perfect, which is had plus past participle. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so we use the third conditional to communicate that we are imagining something in the past that did not really happen. Okay, did not really happen. Okay,
Yeah.
its construction is if plus past perfect would have plus would have done. So the sentence, if I had gone to the park yesterday, I would have played football, means that in fact I did not go to the park yesterday and did not play football. I am only imagining.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Is
Okay.
it
I
is
do
it
understand. Yes.
okay, very good. So when do we use the third conditional?
We use the first conditional when we are imagining something in the past that did not really happen.
Okay, very good. Okay. What is its construction?
Its conjunction is if plus past perfect plus would have done.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So give me an example, please.
If she has studied harder, she would have succeeded in the same exam last month.
Okay. So if she had studied harder, she would have succeeded in the exam last month. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is we are imagining um, we are imagining this thing, but it didn't really happen. Okay. You are only assuming or imagining such thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, so next, notice that in the third conditional, we put the word have, okay, and the past participle after the word would. Okay, for example, we say, I would have taken, and then you would have taken, and then he would have taken, etc. Right?
Mm, okay.
Okay, again, notice that in the third conditional, we put the word have and the past participle. Okay, have. Okay, we are referring to. There are three. I mean, have consists of has, have, and had. Okay, so that you won't confuse. So, okay, so let me just. Okay, so we have verb has have had. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, the word do we have do, it does, do, and did. Okay. So when we say have, okay, it consists of has, have, and had. Okay, the have auxiliary verb. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Did you understand?
Can we would have. Yes, yes, I do understand it.
Okay. So so notice that in the third conditional we put the word have, okay, or the auxiliary verb have, and the past participle after the word would. For example, we say I would have taken, okay? You would
Yes,
have taken and he would have taken. Okay?
yes, okay.
Okay. Next one. Okay. In the third conditional, what do we put after the word would?
In the first conditional, we put the word have and the past uh, participle after the word world.
Okay. Would. Okay. Would. It's silent L, Mr. Chen. It's
Would,
silent L. It's would. Okay.
yeah, would,
Uh huh. And participle. Participle. Past participle. Again.
past particip participle,
Participle. Okay.
participle. Yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Again, participle. One more time, please.
participle.
Okay. Would. Could you please say that word again?
Would.
Okay, very good. So again, Mr. Chen, it's silent L. Okay. Don't pronounce the L sound. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Al- Also for the word could, should. Okay.
Yes, okay.
So yeah, these are silent L.
Okay, yes, silent L.
Okay. Would, could, should. Okay. It's silent L. Okay.
Okay, yes. Would, could, should.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, yes.
So no need to pronounce the L sound. Okay, so next one. Give me some examples, please.
He would have slept. She would
Okay.
have written. They would have eaten.
Okay, Mr. Chan, please listen. Okay. He would have slept. Slept.
Slept.
Okay.
Slept.
So
Okay.
this is past tense. Okay. So we
Uh,
should say slept, not slept, not sleep.
yeah.
Okay. It's slept.
Slept. Okay.
Okay. That is the past tense of sleep. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That is yes. It can be past simple and past participle. Okay.
Okay.
So next, she would have written, not written. Okay.
Written. Mm,
Written,
okay. Yeah.
not
Written.
not written. It's written. Okay.
Okay.
So we can say writing, writing, written. Okay.
Okay.
Could you please read?
Writing. Written.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Writing, written. Okay. Next one. If you had been born in England, which language would you have spoken as a child?
If I had been born in England, I would have spoken English as a child.
Okay. Were you in fact born in England?
No, I wasn't in fact born in England. I was born in Vietnam.
Okay, I was. Again, Sir Mr. Chan.
Yeah, I
you
was.
know, if we don't take our classes, you always forgot the S sound.
Yes,
Oh, sir, Mr. Jan. Okay, I was.
I
Okay, I was
was.
born. Okay.
I was born.
Okay, not I
Born.
was. Not I was. No S. Okay, I was born. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So exactly, we are only imagining. Okay, we are only imagining. It's not real possibility. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So did you understand everything?
Yes.
You have
I
any
do
question?
understand.
You have any questions so far?
No, no question.
Okay. So let's proceed to the next question then. Did you find 100 pounds on the street yesterday?
Mm, no, I didn't find $100 on the street yesterday.
Okay, it's not dollars, it's pounds.
Found.
Okay, it's the pound symbol. Okay.
Okay. Found.
Don't you know the dollar symbol? Dollar.
Dollar.
Do you know the dollar symbol?
Dollar symbol.
Yes.
Yes. Dol- yes, I know dollar, but dollar symbol. What's me? Dollar symbol.
Yes, because you say $100, it's not 100 pounds. Okay, it's 100
Yes. Okay.
pounds.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the pound symbol, not dollars, because symbol dollars is like this. A dollar
Oh,
symbol rather.
okay.
hmm This is $100. Okay. It's like
Okay.
it's like letter S and it has a line over it. Okay.
Okay.
It's a dollar symbol, but this one is pound. Okay. 100 pounds.
100 pounds.
Pounds. Yes, just in England they use pound currency, right? Also
Yes.
in European countries. Yeah, most of the European countries, not all.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
So
Pounds.
just like in London, yes, they use pounds. In Britain,
Okay. Yes.
yes. So not all European countries use pound currency, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
But if you had found 100 pounds on the street yesterday, what would you have done with it?
If I had if I have 500 on the street yesterday, I wouldn't have keep uh, it. I would have taken it to the police station.
Okay, station. Shin.
Stations. A station.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Okay.
so if I had found 100 pounds on the street yesterday, I would have I would have kept it, or I would have taken it to the police station. So as you can see, you can use kept it or taken. Okay, I would have kept it to the police station, or I would have okay. No, I would have kept it. Just it. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Stop from there. Okay, or you can
Yeah.
say I would have taken it to the police station. Okay,
Yeah.
so you
Yeah.
can use either of the two. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next question. If you had not decided to study English, which language would you have studied instead?
If I had not decided to study English, I would have studied uh, Chinese language instead.
Uh huh. Why? Why Chinese?
Because I think Chinese language is popular.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next question.
Mm.
If you had not come to school or if you had not come to the office last week, what would you have done instead?
If I have not come to office last week, I would have stay at home. Stayed at home.
Okay. So you can
Yeah.
say I would have gone on holiday or I would have stayed at home.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next. Could you please read the next word?
GRE. What mean GRE? I don't know.
It's not diary, it's diary.
Diary.
Uh-huh. So diary is like when you want to write something. Okay, for example, you did something today and you want to write it on your diary. Yeah. Like maybe it's a memorable thing for you. So you want to write write down on your diary so that you won't forget what happened to you. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. So okay. So let us try to translate this word.
yes.
Mm, diary is not kai, not kai, not kai. Hindi.
No.
Okay, okay, wait. It's a book in which we keeps a diary record of events and experiences. It's like okay. Can you see my screen?
No.
No.
It's dark. Yeah. Very dark. Nhật ký.
Okay.
Yes, yes. I do understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, so diary. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Diary.
mhm. So what do people use diaries for?
People use diaries to help them remember things that they have done or things that they need to do.
Okay. So people use diaries to help them remember things that they have done or things that they need to do. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So did you understand?
Yes, yes. I do
Okay.
understand.
Okay. Okay, so let's have the next question. Okay, next word, please read.
Character.
Okay, Mr. Chan, it's ka. Okay, it's k sound,
Uh,
okay? It's a
ca-
k sound. Character.
Character.
Yes? Just like character traits or attitude, okay?
Okay.
Or behavior, like that, okay? What is your
Yeah.
personal, what are your uh, personal traits, like that? What are your,
Yeah.
do you have a good manners or good character, like that, okay? So what kind
Okay.
of character do you like to see in a person?
Mm. I like I like to see a open character in a person.
Open
Yes,
or
open,
open mind? Open mind.
open mind. Yes,
Yes, or open minded.
open minded.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So are you open minded person? Are you an
Could you
open minded? Okay, are you an open-minded
Yes, yes.
person? Okay, open-minded. Okay, hello.
Yes, open-minded person.
Uh-huh.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So of course, if you're an open-minded person, I think you can avoid having some problems, right? Yeah, because
Mm,
uh, you're transparent, or um, you're always you always say what you wanted to say. Like yeah, you might feel comfortable with each other because you're open-minded person. Yes,
yes,
you won't feel awkward, right?
yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So really, okay. Have you ever got up really early?
Uh, yes, I have sometimes got up really early,
Okay, what is the earliest time?
around 5 or 5:30 a.m.
5:30 a.m. That
Yes,
is the earliest time?
yes, I think. Yeah,
Okay. Um, so in my case, my earliest my earliest time was 3 a.m. When I was
three. Oh,
yes, when I was still a student, when I was still a university student. Yeah, I when want to review my lesson, yeah,
ah,
I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning or at
oh,
dawn, yeah, to study my lesson because it's more effective for me, and your mind is fresh, right?
oh,
So
yeah,
it's it's um it's easy to yeah to remember what you have reviewed, what you have learned.
oh, yes, very good.
Yes. So what about you? When you were still a student, when you were a university student, or when you were still, uh, yeah, when you were still studying. So
Mm,
do you wake up on those times before? In those times, rather.
no.
No, never.
I,
It's
uh,
never
I
ever.
ever.
Okay then. Okay, so next question. For what reason? Oh, for what reason? For what reason?
uh, I think every season reason.
Every reason?
Yes, sometime by my daughter, sometime for work, sometime for uh, neighbors, etc.
Uh-huh. Yeah. For you can say for many reasons.
Yes, many reason.
Hmm. Okay, since it's many, okay, or for a
Mm,
lot of reasons. Okay, by
yes,
the way, you can use many for negative sentences, okay?
yes,
Not, yeah, you should say a lot of. There
yes, a
for a
lot
lot
of.
of reasons. A lot of reasons, okay?
Yes.
Okay. If you were driving a car on a long journey and suddenly felt really tired, what would you do?
Jeep, I were driving a car on a long journey and suddenly uh, felt really tired. I stopped the car, buy a cup of coffee, and wait until I felt more awake.
Okay. Okay. So if I were driving a car on a long journey and suddenly felt really tired, I'd stop the car, buy a cup of coffee, and wait until I felt more awake.
Mhm.
But is it effective? Because for me, it's not effective. You know, if I even I drink a cup of coffee, I still feel sleepy.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not effective for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, because they said if you feel sleepy, try to drink a cup of coffee. But but even if I do that, I I can still I don't know, but I still feel sleepy.
Yes. If you want to sleep, you need drink coffee.
Uh, no, but no. Uh, they said if you drink coffee, you will not feel sleepy. So when for example, I'm sleepy now. At this moment, I feel sleepy, and if I try to drink a cup of coffee, nothing will change. I still
Yeah.
feel sleepy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know
Yes.
why. Except if someone pour a cold water on my maybe on my head or on my face like that.
Yes.
Maybe I might be I might feel awake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Next word we have.
Run.
Okay, Mr. Chen. It's a. Okay, we should say ran, not run. So of
Yes.
course we have the three forms of run. So we have run, ran, run. Right?
Yeah. Run. Run. Run.
Okay, it's run, ran, run.
Run. Run. Run.
Okay? It's
Okay.
run, ran, run.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So what's the past of run?
The past of runs is run.
Okay, ran.
Run.
Eh, eh, eh,
Eh,
eh,
eh.
eh, 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 eh.
Okay. Ran. Ran.
Okay, very good.
Mm.
Ah, ah, ah.
Yes. Eh.
21.
Yes.
Okay. If you ran against him or me, etc., who do you think would win? For example, okay, if you run against me, for example, who do you think would win?
Mm. Yes. Did I rest? Yeah.
Can you run? Can you run fast? Can you run quickly?
Yes.
Uh
I
huh.
think. Yes, I think I usually play football. I run quickly.
Ah.
Uh,
Okay. So you would win. So you mean you would win if you if you ran against me?
yeah. Okay.
Oh my god. I was coughing again. Okay. So of
Yes.
course,
Okay.
I can't run fast. Yeah, so I can't run quickly. So of course, you would surely win.
Yes.
Okay. So next, actually, I feel I I easily feel tired. I easily get easily get tired if I run fast.
Uh, yes.
Yeah. So it's impossible for me to win such such thing or such sport.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one we have.
Improve.
Mhm.
Coach.
Okay, it's coach. Okay, coach.
Coach.
Okay, very good. So, do you know? Are you familiar with this word? Of course, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So in every sports, yeah, there will always be a coach, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, of course, if there's no if no one will coach the team or um, or the player or the sports player like
Yes.
boxing, basketball, football. Of course, if there's no coach, the game not um, will not be good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, do you think so?
Yes. I think also.
Yes. So there will always be a coach, yeah, in every sports. So have you tried being a coach in a sports game?
No. No. No.
No.
Yeah.
No, 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 there's no limit. Okay.
Okay.
Here I am again. You have to get used to this kind of my uh being, yeah, because I am a jolly person. I often sing, yeah. So
Yes.
every time I encounter some words which is related to the song, yeah, I
Yeah.
can al- I I can always, it always sink in my mind, yeah, that song, and then suddenly sing this song. So yeah, forgive me if I do that every time. All
Yes.
the time.
Okay.
Please forgive me. Do you know that song? Please forgive me.
No, no, I don't this that song.
Do you know Bon Jovi?
No, I
I don't.
don't know.
Okay. Maybe you're not really a music lover. That's why I don't know a lot of artists.
Yes.
Uh huh. Okay. So, how can we improve our English?
We can improve our English by practice a lot, reading a lot, etc.
Okay, of course. Okay.
Yes.
Do you practice a lot? Do you read a
Uh,
lot?
I think I don't practice a lot.
Why? Because
Because I don't have many time.
a lot of time. Okay. Much time. I don't have
Um,
much time.
yeah, I don't have much time.
Okay, so yeah, please remember this technique. Okay,
Okay.
if it's negative, you're gonna use much, yeah, for uncountable noun. Okay, and many for countable nouns. Okay,
Okay.
negative,
Yeah.
negative. Okay, gonna use much and many for negative words, negative
Okay.
sentences. Okay, but
Yeah.
you use a lot of, yeah, for both. You're gonna use a lot of for positive and for
Yeah.
both uncountable and countable nouns. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, come again.
Yes. Much for negative and a lot
Yes,
for positive. Uh, Positive.
uncountable.
Yeah. And countable.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then many.
Yeah, mainly for negative.
Mm-hmm. And
Mm, and count now.
okay, so you can use a lot of for both countable and uncountable, or count or non-count nouns.
Yes.
Okay, but it's you can use a lot of for positive for both non-count and count nouns. Okay,
Yes.
but
Okay.
you can use much and many for negative, but much for uncountable or non-count, and then and many for countable or count nouns. Okay.
Yes. Count now.
Okay,
Okay.
so page 88, next lesson. Okay, so that's all for
Okay.
today, Mr. Chen. Thank you so much again for tonight.
Yeah.
Good
Thank you very much.
night. Okay, my pleasure. Okay, see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you again. Have a good
Okay,
night.
thank you so much. Bye.